Hello everybody and welcome to Riddick's English. This is Robert and today we're going to be talking about the CL consonant blend. CL. Cool. So let's jump right in and get started. Clam. I found a clam at the beach. Clap. We clap our hands when the show is over. Clock. The clock shows it is time for lunch. Class. I love my math class. Classmate. My classmate Jane is a very friendly girl. Clean. I help clean the house every Saturday. Clear. The sky is clear and blue today. Cling. The baby likes to cling to her teddy bear. Clown. The clown at the circus made us laugh. Climb. We will climb the hill to get a better view. And that's it everybody for the CL blended sound. If you will practice, you will get better. This is Robert from Riddick's English asking you to please like, comment, and share this video. And as always, please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to grow. I'll see you next time with another short English lesson.